In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with an ID and password. This is a super useful skill to have, as Microsoft Teams has become an essential tool for anyone working or studying remotely. Whether you're hopping on a quick team call or preparing for an important presentation, knowing exactly how to join a meeting by ID and password will ensure you're connected seamlessly and without unnecessary hassle. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams application installed on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to the official Microsoft website or your device's App Store and grab the latest version. Having the app installed ensures a smoother experience compared to using a web browser, although that's an option too. Once you have the app ready to go, open it up and log in using your Microsoft account details. Make sure your credentials are up to date, as you'll want to avoid any login troubles right before your meeting. If you're new to Microsoft Teams, setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to get started. Now, you've received the meeting ID and password from your host, usually via email or within a calendar invitation. With this information at hand, open Microsoft Teams. On the main screen, you should see the option to join a meeting. Click on it. This will open a new window where you're presented with different methods for joining. You want to select the option for entering a meeting ID. Type in your meeting ID very carefully. Double check to make sure each digit is correct because even a tiny error could prevent you from joining. Once you've entered the ID, press Join. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting password. This is an extra layer of security to protect the meeting from any unauthorized access. Type in the password exactly as it appears, paying close attention to each character. These passwords are case-sensitive, so an uppercase letter entered as lowercase, or vice versa, might lead to an error. After you've entered the correct password, click Join Meeting again. You should now enter a virtual waiting room while your host admits you into the meeting. Don't worry if this takes a moment, just sit tight. And there you have it. You're successfully in the meeting. Make sure your audio and video settings are configured correctly so you can see and hear, as well as be seen and heard. That's it for today's tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run a few trial meetings to familiarize yourself even more. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you join your next Microsoft Teams meeting with confidence.